Hi, this is Sue with Creations by Sue, and as promised in the video where I show this Elsa being repaired because the glitter flecks on her shirt came off after one washing, I promised to show you how to remove the snowflakes in her hair because they stitch out right after the shirt, and I did not want them to stitch out, so I manually stopped the machine, but it can also be done in Embrilliance and it's not hard to do. And this is Embrilliance Essentials. So the first thing I'm going to do, you can see my cursor moving right here. I'm going over here and expanding the design so I can see all the steps. And I need to find the step where the shirt and the snowflakes are sewn. Or what happens is the shirt receives its satin stitch, and then the snowflakes are sewn right after that. So that's on step 19 here, as you can see, right over here on the screen. And I'll click that, and just to show you it. So there it is. So now, because I know it's step 19, that helps me to know I have to go a ways into my stitch simulator to find this. So you wouldn't necessarily have to find it ahead of time. You could just go into Stitch Simulator. And in order to do that, you go to the top of the screen, the fourth icon over which says View, and then you'll see, whoops, click that. And then below it is, down below the line is Stitch Simulator, so you're going to click that. And now you go to this where you see all these colors, and you grab the little bar and you move it down until you get to that part that you're going to be stitching. So the nice part here is I can tell it's going to come after the eyes are stitched out, and there are the eyes, and now here's the shirt. So I'm going to go all the way till when a snowflake starts. Okay, a snowflake is starting there, you can see that. And in order to move real slow to the last stitch of the shirt, I go to these two arrows and I need to move back because that's going to take me back to the shirt. So I'm moving back, and hopefully you can see the little, I'm going to increase this a little bit so you can see better where my cursor is. It's right here. All right, I'm going to keep going back with the arrow until I get to the beginning of that, or the end of that shirt. I zoomed back out so that you can see the full picture here again, and should just have a couple more clicks to get out of this, or get down to the beginning, or the end of that shirt, I should say. There. All right, and I went one click too far, so I'm going to click it ahead once. There we go. All right, then I press the stop sign up here on the left. And then these colors all come up, and I want to change the color so I can easily identify these snowflakes, because what's going to happen is it's now going to make the rest of the design the color that I assign it, which I'm going to assign it magenta. So press the magenta, and then I press OK in this box. And now over here on the right, you can see that the snowflakes are number 20 and they are in the color magenta, so I click that. And then I'm just going to delete that whole thing by pressing my backspace key, and now the snowflakes are gone. So when I would take this to the machine to stitch out the top of that dress, it will not stitch snowflakes after the dress is complete. All right, thank you for watching. Please press the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. And be sure to press the subscribe button if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Happy stitching! Bye!